Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy momos. Start by mixing all-purpose flour and water into a soft, non-sticky dough, then rest it for 20 minutes. While dough rests, prepare a savory filling with minced meat or vegetables, aromatics, and seasoning to taste. Steam momos until translucent and set aside. Finally, simmer a robust tomato chili gravy, adjust seasoning, and gently coat momos before serving hot. Mix all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt, then gradually add warm water and knead until smooth and elastic. Rest in an oiled bowl. Prepare the filling by combining finely minced meat or mixed vegetables with ginger, garlic, soy sauce, and a touch of sugar for balance. Taste a small cooked sample and adjust seasoning. Roll thin wrappers and portion filling evenly to maintain consistent size for steaming and saucing later. Place momos on parchment or a lightly oiled steamer tray, leaving small gaps for expansion, then steam until centers are fully cooked. For the gravy, sauté aromatics, add tomatoes or paste, stock, chili, and simmer before whisking in a cornstarch slurry to thicken. Adjust salt and acidity, then fold steamed momos into the simmering gravy briefly so they absorb flavor without breaking. Serve immediately with fresh herbs or a squeeze of lime.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.